SeaShield 2000 FD system. Surface preparation. Surface preparation of the substrate is one of the most important stages when installing the Denso SeaShield 2000 FD system. It is essential that all weld splatter, sharp points, edges, loose rust, marine growth and loose paint are removed prior to the application of FD materials. High-pressure water blasting is often the selected cleaning method to prepare the steel or concrete pile. The SeaShield 2000 FD system can encapsulate jetty or wharf piles, riser pipes and exposed piping in splash and intertidal zones. It accommodates piles with cylindrical, octagonal and H-pile configurations and is applied with a controlled tensioning system. SeaShield Primer. If the surface has corrosion pits greater than 2 mm, apply a thin uniform coating of Denso SeaShield Primer by gloved hand, brush or roller over the corroded areas. When applying the paste underwater, it will naturally want to adhere to the gloved hand, as it presents a warmer, more adhesive surface than a pile. So it may be useful to use something that has a cold surface, such as a spatula, to apply this product when working beneath the surface. Denso Marine Piling Tape. Spirally applied Denso Marine Piling Tape, beginning with 2 full circumferential wraps at the bottom of the pile. Then proceed upwards with a 55% overlap. A 55% overlap will provide a double layer of corrosion protection along the length of the pile. It is important that the compound side of the tape is in intimate contact with the substrate at all times. Ensure you apply sufficient tension to provide continuous adhesion and press out any folds or air pockets that may appear. If you finish a roll midway through wrapping, it is important you maintain a minimum 1 roll width overlap when overlapping a roll with the end of a new roll. Finish the wrapping again with 2 circumferential wraps at the top of the pile. Application of SeaShield 2000 FD Jacket. The SeaShield 2000 FD jacket must be custom fabricated to the required diameter and length of the pile. The SeaShield 2000 FD jackets are made in 3 standard lengths: 1.90 metres, 1.26 metres and 0.62 metres. Each jacket includes a 50mm lip to allow stacking in any configuration. A Denso hydraulic tensioning kit will be required to properly tension and fit the SeaShield 2000 FD jacket. Assemble the hydraulic tensioning kit prior to application. Apply a light layer of SeaShield Primer to the inside of the jacket flap to assist the jacketing in closing during tensioning. Aligning the bolting bar holes, install the middle clamping bar and slide rods through both bolting bar holes. Install the other clamping bar and tighten the nut on both ends. Make sure the nuts are screwed right to the shoulder. Depending on what size jacket you are installing, the clamping bars shall be fitted so there are an even number of exposed bolt holes at the top and bottom of the jacket. Apply pressure to the hydraulic pump. Bring the bolting bars together evenly until the pump gauge reads approximately 5,000 psi. Install the 316 SS bolts, nuts and washers into the exposed empty holes and tighten up so that the bars are compressed and the nut has reached the end of the thread or cannot be tightened further. Remove the hydraulic clamps and install the 316 SS bolts, nuts and washers in remaining holes and tighten up.